Is the well, which we'll visit, and then we'll proceed the next 3 wells down to well 6 where we're going to spend the night.
Well 9 is called Palatiki, and it was also called Weld Spring by explorer John Forrest on the 2nd of June 1874 after Sir Frederick Aloysius Weld, Governor of WA from 1869 to 1875. As constructed, the well depth was 14 foot, 4.3 metres, and storage was 900 gallons, and supply was 1360 gallons of good water. Well 9 was refurbished by Glen Isle Station. It's best to keep away from the well itself as there are active stockyards here. The remains of Forest's fort, built to fend off Aboriginal attacks, is near the track. Well 8, Kunpa. As constructed, the well depth was 60 feet. Storage was 3,450 gallons and supply was 550 gallons per hour of good water. In 2019, the well was 13.7 metres deep and dry. Remains of the original well included 8
This
tropic...
is a nice well actually, because it's sort of largely as it probably was.
Yep.
It's still got a fairly deep hole down there, and you can check out the well construction too.
I think he used to live out here after he'd done the well reconstruction, so maybe it was then he did that.
Yeah, maybe. William Snell took up a lease northeast of Well 9 on the CSR, Kulia. He lived there until his death at the age of 70. The exact date of his death is unknown, but it's thought to be 15th of October 1942, and his grave is in the Walloona.
Irrigated? No.
Try and push on to well 6 in our camp spot, both to catch up with Fish and Jam, but also to stake our claim on the spot if we can.
Okay, push on to well 6. Well 6, depth was 11 foot, 3.5 metres. Storage was 825 gallons and supply was 1,800 gallons per hour of first-class water. Well 6 was refurbished by the Geraldton 4-wheel drive club in 1991. It was re-excavated and a large diameter rubber pipe inserted to prevent the well walls from caving in. A track care toilet has been installed. The Geraldton 4-wheel drive club led by Ian Stockbridge spent 9 days at Pierre Spring and worked long hours to clean out the well and restore it to near original condition. Instead of cutting down and using local timbers to reline the well, they decided to use a rubber lining which was 1.2 metres in diameter and comes in lengths of 2.4 metres each. This lining was then distended into an oval shape as it was placed into the shaft and lined up with the major axis of the windlass.
Sounds like a mighty good idea, using timbers.
Turn left. Well 5 doesn't have a name. Well 5 as constructed, the well depth was 104 feet 6 inches, which is 31.9 metres. The drive was 28 foot. Storage was 12,800 gallons and supply was 60 gallons of excellent water. In Guard's book, they say that Well 5 is situated amongst a pleasant stand of mulga and when constructed by Canning's team was the deepest on the whole stock route. The men toiled to sink this well to a depth of 104 foot 6 inches through solid rock. The rock was broken up by blasting and hauled to the surface using a hand windlass.
We're meant to meet you at Pierre Springs? Yes, but you weren't there, so I don't worry, I'll come and talk. We'll tell you all about it shortly.
We'll be in around the fire tonight. Hey, good to see you guys.
Christiana got some stories to tell, but we're going to camp just before we go through this gate, which is 3 or 4 kilometres down the road. So we're going to do what we did last night, really, and camp amongst the shrubbery.
It's pretty bit rocky down there. Up down the bottom, no water in it.
No, I understand. I think the fact
Steep little creek crossings and things, so it's quite tight through there, but there should be space to move over if we do come across anyone.
Okay, we'll just proceed then until we get a bit of a clearer idea about where these people are.
2019, the well was 6.1 metres deep and dry. The remains of the original well include the looped off tree that's now used for a whip pole, 6 lengths of troughing, 2 sets of troughing support, 6 well posts and 1 lid.
We just arrived at well 3A, and it was constructed in 1929 by Snell. To improve flow, Snell sunk a bore in the bottom. Unfortunately, the well turned salty and was useless for stock.
It's not a hard place, it's a soft and gentle land. Gonna lay my bed on the soft and gentle sand. Dear old man time, whisper in my ear. 1,000 feet have been through here. Hear the desert wind play a lonely tune through the desert oak on a rusty June. Stay a while and it's all so clear. 1,000 feet have been through here. Inca, Inca, Pichicala.
Was it? So the last 15 guys.
I was trying to get past you.
No, not here.
On the soft and gentle sand, your old man time, whisper in my ear.
So that it doesn't rattle, what he did is he shoved it in between the jerry can.
Take it slow, take a look around. All the signs are on the ground.
No,
Bird and snake, lizard,
the few guys.
Sweaty outfits.
Jake first.
Been here too. Hear the desert wind play a lonely tune through the desert oak on a rusty dune. Stay a while, and it's all so clear. 1,000 feet have been through here. Ingat ningat Pichikala. Ingat ningat Pichikala.